Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will tell you whether your device has a webcam. So the simple answer is yes. Your web camera is located right above your display right here. It has a manual shutter. Well, first of all, it's a Full HD camera that has a manual shutter that allows you turn off the camera at any point. To do this, move the camera to the left, and if you see that your camera is red, it means that it is switched off. It also has an infrared scanner which allows you to use face recognition or Windows Hello, and it also has two integrated microphones on the sides of the camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.